What's up everybody, it's me Peyton from Peyton Lifts, and today we are going over how to work the anterior tibialis. It is an underrated muscle. I understand if you don't work it already, that's okay, we're going to fix that today, alright? Because I got 3 exercises for you. We're basically 3 variations on how to work the anterior tibialis. Now, the anterior tibialis is responsible for ankle dorsiflexion and inversion of the foot. In other words, the opposite of a calf extension. So there's 2 reasons I'm showing you guys these exercises today. The first one is because that a lot of people, when they don't work their anterior tibialis, they start getting knee pain, alright? Because when a muscle is weak, your body will suffer for it, alright? If your abs are weak, you're going to get back pain. If your back is weak, you're going to get back pain as well. So that's why I work on the anterior tibialis today. That's why I've started making it a part of my routine. Actually, this is the first day I've done these exercises, but I'm going to show you guys anyway so that you guys can come on this journey with me, alright? Now, the second reason is because it is also important for growth. Now, it doesn't have a lot of potential to get really huge, but if you're going to be working your calves, this muscle is on the opposite side of your leg and you need to be working it as well, okay? If you're working biceps, you gotta work in triceps, all right? You gotta work the opposite muscle. You gotta work the opposing muscle, sorry. So we're gonna make sure we're doing that today. First exercise is not going to require any equipment at all, but you do have that option. There are a few variations you can throw in there. It's just simply an anterior tibialis raise, all right? So it's gonna be just like a calf raise, except it's the opposite motion. You are raising your feet from your heel. Alright, so there's 2 variations you can throw into this. The first of which is getting on an elevated surface. As you can see here, I am on a 45-pound plate. You can use stairs, you can use books, you can use whatever the heck you want to use. That's your choice. We just want to increase the range of motion here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my heels be on top of that elevated surface, and my front of my feet is going to be on the ground, and we're just going to start from there and do those anterior tibialis raises. There we go. And the second variation is that you can add weight to that as well. Now, it's going to be effective either way, body weight, whatever you do, it's going to be effective, so just make sure you're doing it right. Second exercise that I got for you guys, we're going to use kettlebells, okay? Kettlebells are perfectly shaped for you to hang them on top of your feet, and as you can see here, I'm just going to use 8 kg, which translates to about somewhere around 20 pounds, all right? And so I'm going to use those. I'm going to let my feet hang off of the surface. That's something else you're going to need to do. And simply just raise the anterior tibialis, raise your feet up, and it's going to work them. Third exercise we're going to do here is going to be an anterior tibialis raise with resistance bands, okay? So unlike the kettlebell raises, you don't have to actually have your foot hang off the surface. I'm going to use my heel as like an anchor of sorts, all right? And I'm going to use a loop here. You can use whatever you want here. You just want to get that resistance from the resistance band, okay? So I'm going to make sure there's no slack. I'm going to simply, once again, raise my foot up through the anterior tibialis, all right? It's gonna be, like, I'm telling you guys, it was crazy. I was barely able to walk after I did all, like the last 2 exercises. First one was pretty difficult, but it was just starting out, so I hadn't fatigued the anterior tibialis yet. So just be careful, don't strain anything because you really need your anterior tibialis. And with that being said, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys found this entertaining and educational, and I hope you guys come back. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and go ahead and comment because I love hearing from you guys. Let me know what you want to see next. I could make some more videos like this, alright, because it's very important that you do the anterior tibialis. So with that being said, please subscribe, check out my social medias in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.